dernier porteur du maillot blanc de meilleur jeune. On célèbre les 50 ans parrainé par Chris. À ses côtés, la présence de Louis Barré, d'Hugo Page. On retrouve un petit peu plus loin Roel van Sint-Martensdijk. Et il nous fait l'amitié de rester quelques instants. Benny, just a quick word. The weather conditions are just off the chain. But of course, it must be a tremendous privilege. This is not the color you're used to. But what does it feel like to wear the white jersey on the roads of the Tour de France, celebrating 50 years since the first time this jersey was created?
Yeah, it's absolutely wonderful. You know, actually, I'm not used to it for the white jersey, but for me today, when I wore it, I think it's pretty nice, and I'm super happy to at least change the color. You know, last year I was full with the green, but now I'm super happy also to be part of the white jersey.